I hope you don't mind. We have a special bonus video. I've actually been looking at this for a while, so I was really super excited when they reached out and said, hey, would you mind sharing this with your subscribers? So this video is not sponsored, but I did get these products sent to me for free for a review. And I've been looking at different ones to see what I want to do, and I think I am going to like this. Now I'm going to be opening this with you. It is LUXSB, which used to be Luxury Scent Box, and they rebranded to LUXSB. I took some notes. I do have a code for you, which I love. I always ask if I'm going to do a video, give my subscribers something. If you got to watch the video, you need to get a deal, right? So this is in California. This stuff is where this company came from. And the reason I think I'm going to like this one is they have a larger than normal, which, like I said, I haven't opened it yet, but they have a larger than normal vial of perfume, and they have 2 different like subscriptions that you can get a month, and I have been looking to try some new perfume. So goodness, these are those real sticky, like hard to open envelopes. So let me open it with you. I haven't even played with it yet to see like how to work the contraption that the perfume goes in. So I'm going to take these out. We're going to explore everything together, and I think I got it all. I got a little extra fuzz stuffy. All right, so that you take like a perfume quiz, which I took, and they ask you, you know, what, oops, did this fall out? They ask you what kind of scents you like and some of the fragrances that you like. So I let them know about that. And they match you, it says with the perfect scent, 1 fragrance at a time. So we have a description on how to use how to use it, and then there's looks like maybe a new scent in here. So there's some a little bit of information about this new scent that I must have gotten. So let me just see something real quick. I think one of these probably has okay. So it's a $15 a month designer sort of niche fragrance subscription box for men and women. And okay, so it does have a little, this one came in a case. I don't know if they're all in a case. It's got a portable like travel velvet thing, so you literally can slip this in and take it on the go and take it to, you know, just throw it in your purse, which I loved. So they have over 500 brands, from designer brands to exclusive worldwide brands. I think this might be one of those exclusive new brands, and then some of them that I have are designer brands, because I did get an email saying what I was getting. So you can cancel anytime you want. It's month to month. Here it is, one of the largest sizes available in a perfume prescription. You also get a fragrance specialist to help you, like if you don't really know what kind of fragrances you like, that's where you might want to work with your fragrance specialist, which I think is a cool kind of add-on. So the size of these is 30 ounces or 9 milliliters for the Scent Club service, and it's $15 a month. And if you use the promo code LUXSB, you get your first box for only $9.75 instead of $15. So for less than $10, you can try this. And your first month, you'll also get a reusable LUXSB signature case in silver or black, and then you get new colored cases seasonally. So that's really cool. Then they have a premium plan, and so you get the member purchase larger version at perk discounts. So the premium plan is $18 a month, and you get a new case every single month, okay? And your promo code is Southern Yankee. What am I thinking? Your code is Southern Yankee. Duh. I don't know what I was telling you. So it is not, and that would be free shipping your first month, and your first month for only $9.75 if you use my code, okay? So you're supposed to twist open and twist to close. So let's first see what kind of perfume we got. And I don't know where it says, so I'm looking and new at this just like you guys are. All right, so this case doesn't say. So let's look at what I put in here. If it says twist open, okay? Oh, that's not it. I guess you're supposed to practice. All right, so let me just scent myself. Ooh, whatever this is, good first choice. Okay, so I see we go up and down. But how do we, let's look at the directions. Directions are good. Twist open. Now you're ready to spray and enjoy. To refill, pull the glass vial out of the case from the top and replace with a new glass vial. Oh, kind of easy. Okay, so, oh, no wonders I like this. This is Burberry. I like all the Burberry scents. This is just my Burberry. And that's the size of the vial. Oh, girl, I'm going to spray that more. I love that, love that. So then you just put it back in, and that's it. So it's just a twist up, twist down, like that. That is so cool. And then a lift. Oh, well, it worked last time. All right, I gotta figure this out. Okay, so you just need to be careful that you don't lift the whole top off, but if you do, it's no problem, it goes back on. So, love that. I'm excited to have Burberry. I'm really actually excited to have this one because I love Burberry and I would love to take this to work with me and just do a refresher because sometimes your perfume doesn't last all day. Some scents do, some scents don't. So that's our first scent. So let's take a look at scent number 2. I don't know if these are all in their own case, if this is like, if they just sent them in a case or, yeah, they did. Ooh, look at this case. Fancy purple. That's pretty. That's pretty. And it goes up. All right, so let me try not to pull this off wrong. We did it. Okay. Ooh, this one is Versace Bright Crystal. Oh, my house is going to smell so good. So I'm going to just try it. I want to spray it on something. Can I spray it on this paper they sent me? I don't want to waste it. Versace's expensive. Oh, I love that too. Okay, these two are wins. These two are super wins. Love them both. Oh, this is going to be a fun subscription. Okay, so then the next one I have, I'm guessing this one's in a case as well. I love these beautiful colored cases. Is blue my favorite color? Here's the blue one. And let's see. I'm going to pull it out before we spray it, see what it is. Okay, so this one is, I don't know how to say it. I'm going to put it on the screen, but it is Comptoir Sud Pacifique Vanille Apricot. Sounds like apricot in French. Is that any of these? No. Okay, so this is something about Nativa. There's Nativa Aruba, Jamaica, and St. Thomas. That's what these fragrances are. Maybe those are new fragrances that like you can request. I'm not sure. There's information on it, but not why we're sent that. So I'm guessing these are brand new. But this one, all right, so I'm going to spray this on the other side and see what this one smells like, because this one's like a vanilla apricot. I don't know what this one's going to smell like. Yep, there we go. Like vanilla. I don't really smell like apricot, but there's a really strong vanilla. That's actually a nice scent too. I didn't know, like when I first smelled it, I was like, am I gonna wear vanilla? But it's like a warm vanilla, and it's more of a subtle fragrance too. It's not like in your face. It's actually a really nice scent. I quite like it. I quite like that. So that's a surprise. So yeah, so I got the Versace, my Burberry, and the vanilla apricot thing. Like I said, I'll put the name of this one up there. So we got all three, and you get one little velvet thing, so you can just switch this out depending on what perfume you're wearing that day. And why I like this idea is I've been really, well, somebody's here. I've been really trying to figure out what perfumes I like, and I want to switch up my perfumes. Hold on. All right, so like I was saying, I'm hoping that I'm going to find some new perfumes that I really, really like. And as a member, you get member perk discounts, so you can get the full size at a discount, which is really cool because it's hard to get perfume at discounts. Especially like the perfume scent, the scent that you want to get. Sometimes like perfumes go on sale, but it's not maybe the scent you want. So this is going to allow me, I mean, these are pretty big. I should be, it's way bigger than those little sample sizes you get at Sephora. And the travel sizes you buy are $30 for one travel size. So to get one of these for like your first box for $10, that's awesome. And even at 15, it's half, and even at 18, it's less. So it's a good deal no matter what way you look at it. I think I'm going to take, was this one which one was their Versace? The purple, I think. I'm going to take this one to work. I want to try that one tomorrow and see what I think about that one. So that's going in my purse right now. So, all right, guys. So I'm going to put all the scents that I got up on the screen for you. And I'm going to, and it's like I said, it's 30 milliliters that you get. I am also going to put my code Southern Yankee and the link down for you below for you to check this out, and I'll see you guys in the next video.